Assam Rifles, in collaboration with the Customs Department, Champhai, Mizoram, has made significant seizures in separate operations conducted on July 12. In the first operation conducted at New Rikwan, Jokautar, authorities recovered 30 cases of foreign origin beer, 4 cases of foreign origin cigarettes, and 1,264 foreign origin e-cigarettes. The approximate value of the seized items is estimated to be Rs. 18,54,000. This operation was carried out based on specific intelligence inputs. Simultaneously, in another operation at Amelbug, Jokautar, Assam Rifles recovered 4 hunks of heroin number 4 weighing 48 grams. The street value of the seized heroin is approximately Rs. 33.60 lakhs. During the operation, a woman identified as a resident of Falkland, Isle, was apprehended. The combined value of the seized goods in this operation totals around Rs. 52,14,000. Following the operations, the recovered consignments and the apprehended women were handed over to the Police Department, Jokautar, and Customs Department, Champhai, respectively, on July 12, 2024 for further legal proceedings.